Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you where the air filter is located on a 2015 Subaru Outback. But if your car is a similar year, then it should be in the same location. Okay, so get your hood open first and come around to the engine bay, guys. Over here, right there, is your air filter. Okay guys, so you want to pop that open and pop that open. Okay, and then when you slide this open, you can see inside that is your air filter. Okay, that is where your air filter is located, and getting it out is pretty easy. You just have to pop out a couple of things. You could undo the bolt down there, pop this little cover off, and then you will have access to your air filter over here. Okay, that is where it's located. Not how to take it out, but this is where it's located, guys. Okay, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace out.